Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore recently deleted stories on Instagram. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps, and then in here you can go to your profile icon at the bottom. Click on it, and then in here you just click on the three lights icon at the top. And after this, in here you just click on your activity, click on it, and then in here you can click on the recently deleted. And after this, in here you can click this story maybe, and then if you wanna recently delete this story, so you just click on the three dots icon at the bottom. This one, you can click on it, sorry, and after this, in here you can click on the restore, and then now you can click on the restore. Updating, and now you can go back to your profile, and you can see at the story, the story has been post. So that how to restore recently deleted stories on Instagram. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.